And today, a community joined virtually to honor a beloved doctor who died from COVID-19 complications. Crystal City native Dr. Antonio Guzman was the director of the Corpus Christi Medical Center's internal medicine residency program. During his 21 years in practice, he helped train new doctors and nurses. To honor his service, a memorial was held this afternoon at Doctors Regional Hospital. Friends, colleagues, and family could also watch online.
We're going to be eternally missing him, but his legacy will always live on through each one of the residents he's trained and those that have come in contact with him. For the many people from all types of walks of life, Dr. Guzman has forever been somebody that we can always regard as our best friend.
And during an interview with MD Monthly back in 2017, Dr. Guzman said he wanted to encourage and help elevate residents in being the best doctors that they can be. His goal to impact every one of their lives. And during today's memorial, it was evident that he did just that. Dr. Guzman was 54 years old.